Hi everyone, welcome to Wigs Royal channel. Very glad to see you again. In this videos, I'm gonna show you some glueless lace front silk top wigs. These wigs come with 21.5 inch or 21 inch circumference, great for women with small heads. Look at this one. Such a beautiful blonde with light brown highlights wavy hair wig. The front hairline is so natural, hard to see you're wearing a wig. The hair length is 18 inch. It has a popular wavy texture. You can also straighten it to wear a straight hair wig. This one is 16-inch white color. This one is 16-inch color too. This one is 18-inch with beautiful highlights color. This is the cap construction. It has a silk top, lace front from temple to temple, ear tabs with non-slip PU on each side. We can also sew one clip or comb on each side if you need. The adjustable strap can be adjusted to fit your head size, securely hold your wig in place. The back area is elastic lace, it's 100% hand-knotted base. Here are more wig pictures with very charming and trendy hair colors. All of them are made of high-quality 100% human hair. Do you like any of them? More of us. Welcome to visit www.wigsroyal.com. Any suggestions, questions, or comments, welcome to write to info@wigsroyal.com. And please remember to subscribe us to get the latest hair trends, newsletters, company news, and so on. Thank you. See you next time.